Have you heard the news? Three Things Live is back, and last week's shows were totally buzzworthy.
We learned so many things about the amazing honeybee, and that inspired some pretty amazing projects.
How about making your own project bag, an adorable pincushion, and even a throw pillow with a message we all want to hear?
We introduced our new digital downloads library. All your downloads are stored for you in one place.
So watch Three Things Live at 1 p.m. Mountain and 3 p.m. Eastern on YouTube and Facebook, or catch up later by clicking the links below.
Then tell everyone what you learned on the Friends of My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop Facebook page so that you can find your people and see what they are making.
Three Things Live is where we always have something to make you smile,
something to learn,
and something to discover. Let's go!